Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail. I got my the new Chemical Guys Torque foam blaster. So I'm going to show you how I replace the tip. I got a 5/8 inch wrench here. I'm going to just back out that quick disconnect, and then you'll see right in there you just need a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so it comes with a 1.2. I went on Amazon. Mingle Foam Cannon Orifice Nozzle 1.1 millimeter 2-pack. It was like $6. Let me get a screwdriver. Real simple. Out it comes. Let's drop in our new one. Just screw it in. Nice and snug. I'm going to replace my quick disconnect. .5/8 inch, nice and snug. Tomorrow I got a car, and like magic and video editing, I'm going to show you how a 1.1 millimeter orifice works with this new foam cannon. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We're back. So Timber's here to say hi. Timber. All right. She just saw a pack of dogs come by with the Ornler. So we got this Dodge Ram here we're going to detail today. So same thing as the last one. I filled it full of clean slate from Chemical Guys. This is the new Torque Big Mouth foam cannon. So let's go ahead and try it out with that 1.1 millimeter tip inside there. Let's see what it looks like. Now I am using the 2030 Greenworks power washer, and it's electric. All right, here we go. Minor adjustments here. There we go. As you can see, a lot more foam. Wow, that's just like crazy foam. Look at that. So switch out that tip. Better results in your foam cannon, especially if you're using a electric one. Any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingin tempe@gmail.com. Have a great day, everybody.